and we're going to recess it into the manifold's plenum, and that will give us better breathing potential. The process starts by grinding down a couple of bosses. That allows the adapter to sit flush on the plenum. Tracing the OD of the adapter to the intake happens now. The tighter the line, the better. It's time to let the chip fly. Using a carbide burr and a little trans fluid, the material not needed is going away. Let the burr do the work and take your time. After gouging out a path and struggling a bit, it's time to make a battlefield decision and switch to the air saw. It's a bit more precise and a whole lot less messy for now. With the middle part finally out, I'll fine-tune with a carbide and a flapper roll. Let's see how it fits, or doesn't. Be very careful not to remove too much. Check often and take your time. You want a good fit so the welding will go easier. Come on, baby. Oh, bonanza.
Using our Miller TIG welder, we'll tack it in a couple of places. Then burn it in using filler rod. Now there are a couple of tight spots that are really tricky to get with the TIG, but it didn't slow us down. Now clean it off with a wire brush and let it cool. In the meantime, we're ready for our freshly painted valve cover. Now Duplicolor's Wrinkle Plush Gray gave this thing a killer look. And on the inside, Pat removed all of the baffling to clear our taller rocker arms. The Edelbrock head accepts early and late model valve covers. We're holding ours on with the factory hardware.
The water pump can go on now. It's a new unit we picked up from AutoZone. The water neck also came from their parts house. We don't run a thermostat on the dyno, it has one built in. Since there aren't any accessories, we're using a Mr. Gasket electric motor and water pump pulley. It's a universal kit that comes with spacers and lots of hardware. The bracket attaches to two bosses on the block. It also acts as a locator, which doesn't get any tension due to the cog design. Now it's time for our modified induction and some exhaust. Rugged Ridge sent us this 304 stainless header that's been polished to a beautiful finish. The primaries are 1.5 inches and will complement our 4 liters power potential. They install at the same time since they share several of the same fasteners. Cinching down the ARPs will compress the gasket for a good seal. An MSD Pro Billet distributor designed for street performance is dropping in. It has both mechanical and vacuum advance. To keep the timing rock steady at every RPM, we locked it out for the dyno runs. E3 Diamond Fire spark plugs will ignite the air and fuel mix. And MSD's pre-terminated 8.5mm superconductor wires will supply the volt juice to them. With the engine at this stage of assembly, we need to get it on the docking cart. Making it a simple task for us is our Cundell overhead crane and our Pit Pal engine sling. Right there.